Have you ever stopped to ponder the sheer diversity of ant species that inhabit our planet? It's a world teeming with life, humming with a myriad of tiny industrious creatures. Imagine this. There are an estimated 1 million different ant species living amongst us, each with their own unique way of communicating, of interacting with their environment and with each other. These methods of communication are not just idle chatter, they are the backbone of complex societies, enabling efficient teamwork and a clear division of labor within colonies. They are survival strategies, honed over millions of years, that allow these tiny creatures to thrive in an array of habitats, from the densest jungles to the harshest deserts. Each chirp, each pheromone trail, every gentle brush of an antenna, carries a wealth of information, a message, a command. As we explore further, prepare for a deep dive into these fascinating communication methods that have stood the test of time. Imagine being able to smell your way to a food source or danger. That's a day in the life of an ant. In the world of ants, chemical signals, known as pheromones, play a crucial role in communication. These scent trails are invisible to us, but to ants, they paint a vivid picture of their environment. An ant's antennae are like a powerful nose, picking up these pheromones and transmitting information to the rest of the colony. There are different types of pheromones that signal various messages. For example, when an ant finds a food source, it releases a specific pheromone that creates a trail for other ants to follow. On the other hand, if danger is near, alarm pheromones are released to alert the colony. This complex and sophisticated chemical communication system is incredibly efficient. It allows ants to work together seamlessly, divide labor effectively, and respond rapidly to threats or opportunities. The world of pheromones is complex, yet it forms the backbone of ant communication. Moving beyond smell, ants also communicate through touch and sound. Just as we humans shake hands or hug each other, ants have their unique way of tactile communication. Their primary tool, their antennae. Ants use these sensitive appendages to exchange information, brushing them against each other in a form of ant handshake. This lets them identify friends from foes and convey the urgency of a food source or threat. Now let's tune into the world of ant acoustics. Ants create sound by stridulation, which is a fancy way of saying they rub certain body parts together. This sound communication is crucial, especially in dire situations. For instance, when an ant is trapped or in danger, the distress stridulation can alert fellow ants to its predicament. From the subtlest touch to the faintest sound, ants utilize all the tools at their disposal to relay information. Imagine, in the bustling world beneath our feet, these tiny creatures create a symphony of messages, ensuring their survival and success. It's not just what ants do, but how they do it that matters. In the intricate world of ants, body language plays a crucial role in communication. Ants use their posture and movement to convey a variety of messages to their fellow colony members. For instance, when an ant senses danger, it may adopt an aggressive posture, standing tall and extending its jaws wide open. This posturing serves as a warning to other ants, alerting them to the potential threat. But it's not just about cautionary tales. Ants also use specific movement patterns to guide their companions to a newfound food source. By moving in a certain rhythm or pattern, an ant can provide precise directions, leading its peers right to the meal. These subtle yet significant gestures demonstrate the complexity of ant communication. They show us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound understanding of their environment and a sophisticated way of interacting within it. Even in silence, an ant's body speaks volumes. Communication in the ant world is not merely about exchanging pleasantries. It's a sophisticated system that aids in efficient food gathering, danger avoidance, and colony defense. By using a combination of chemical, tactile, acoustic, and visual signals, ants orchestrate a harmonious symphony of interactions that ensure their survival. Consider a foraging ant that stumbles upon a food source. It will lay down a pheromone trail back to the colony, efficiently guiding its comrades to the feast. Or imagine a soldier ant that perceives a threat to its colony. It will release alarm pheromones, triggering an immediate collective defense response from its fellow ants. This intricate communication system allows ants to adapt to diverse habitats, from arid deserts to lush rainforests, and even to our own backyards. The ability to communicate effectively, to share information, and to cooperate as a collective is key to their success. In the grand scheme of nature, the humble ant stands as a testament to the power of communication.